Hello YouTube, and I'm back. Last time I was trying to start this camera, and I got into a hurdle, which is this. It's something. It's a Hero Black 7. Sorry, it's a GoPro Black 7, and this sticker comes it with it. Actually, when you start, this troubles you. So how do I remove this? It is not peelable with your finger or the nails of your finger. So how do I remove it? I tried and tried, and then I realized some old trick. And what you need is this one, a gum tape. So what I'll do is paste this here. I'll place this firmly here, and here it comes. So this is how you have to remove the sticker from the GoPro, and now it's clean. And let me start the camera. So the button is here. Hope you can see me. Hi. So as you can see here, choose the time, and the complete detailed video I'll be doing after looking at opening it myself. Until then, bye. Thank you.